A lot of you have been asking me, Jen, how do I pick up a market to invest in real estate? By the end of this video, I will share with you 10 factors that I personally use to pick up my market. So I don't waste time with a lot of research when I don't really want to be there. And if you like this video, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below so you get notified every time I post a video on Wednesday. I am Jennifer Maldonado, and I have been involved in multiple real estate transactions, from non-performing notes, multifamily, rehab, development projects, extended stay hotels, which are my favorite, and also other private loans. So quite a bit of experience. And if you want to know what I'm up to, I invite you to follow me on Instagram. The link is below for my profile, Invest with Jen Maldonado. In the meantime, let's discuss the multiple factors to consider depending on your real estate asset and your real estate strategy and the kind of usage for your property. Normally, I use 13 factors, but today I will share the most practical 10 okay? Factor number 1, market timing. Is your market declining? Is your market going up? Is your market flat? Understanding how the market cycle works will assist you in your real estate strategy and see if it will work at this moment. Having this information gives you the tools to determine the risk of your investment and what you can do to profit any kind of deal. Second one is supply and demand, one of the most fundamental concepts of economics. Demand is how much property people want to buy, how many buyers want that. Supplies is the number of properties available for that specific market, right? Supply and demand can dictate rent rates, market absorption, price trends, and sell versus rent. The third factor, water and weather. Mother Nature does not only include hot, cold, or nice weather. We're talking about natural disaster here that can greatly impact your investment decisions or the cost of insurance. Get those numbers and prepare your property because it might cost you a little bit more than you're expecting. Number four, transportation and accessibility. It is vital for real estate market. Accessibility with diverse vehicle can be ideal for most populations. Understanding traffic, railroad and systems, transportation system, and people behavior towards those systems are critical not only for your price point, but the desirability of the area. This is how much it impacts the area. Other one, crime and school scores. This is the next factor. If you think about school systems, they're one of the biggest decision triggers for buyers choosing where to live. Low scores, challenging neighborhoods. The next factor is history and age of the area. If you happen to be in a historical area, get ready to pay a higher price to keep up with the historical standards. However, if your market has tax credit, properties might turn into diamonds. So do the numbers, especially on markets where there's no more space to build. Other one, government guideline, one of the most overlooked potential profit killers in investing. If you think about what happened during the pandemic and how tenant-friendly estates impact negatively the profitability of the landlords, these will make a lot of sense to you right now. Or if you're developing, permits can take forever in those kind of states, right? Check the rules. And you know what? Leave a comment below if you're one of those landlords impacted by COVID. And check out my videos about forbearance during COVID and also investing during the pandemic. I think you will get some valuable information. Next factor, rental versus ownerships. Buyers want to buy in areas where people tend to maintain their properties and keep them nice. Rental neighborhoods tend to go down pretty quickly, and you might end up stuck with a property that you thought you can sell. So make sure that you check the rent numbers too. Other factor, professional and public services. Service like contractors, property management companies, or even proximity to utilities can impact your property and your market and how much it's gonna cost you to rehab that baby if you're rehabbing. You wanna have the capacity to operate effectively, maintain or improve that property. Other one, income levels. understanding how much people can afford in a certain area will tell you what you can do or not in that specific market, either by selling the property or rental price points. Be aware of the affordability issue in your market. And remember all of that. All of these factors played a really important role. Look at all of them together to ensure you have potentially a sustainable and profitable market. Now, you know my 10 factors to start evaluating your market, but you cannot use this information practically if you don't know how to buy real estate property. So I encourage you that if you'd like to become a savvy investor, you follow me in Instagram where I share more information, and you subscribe to this channel so you get more information about how to invest in real estate. See you soon.